How to clean Velcro. A hike through the woods in the 1940s helped create one of today's most frequently used products. George de Mestral observed how well the hooks of the 𝒂𝒏𝒏𝒆 stuck to his clothes, and the idea for Velcro, a hook and loop system of fasteners, was born. Hook and loop fasteners, such as the Velcro brand fasteners, are a breeze to use but can be difficult to keep clean. They easily collect hard-to-remove debris ranging from human and pet hair to dirt, lint, and other unidentifiable fuzz that look unsightly and affect its stickiness over time. By removing surface fuzz, picking out lint, and washing hook and loop fasteners as needed, you can keep your closures clean and gripping tightly to each other. The good news is, there are lots of creative ways to clean Velcro, and many of the most effective tools are probably already around your home. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to removing lint from Velcro, washing and removing stains from Velcro, and keeping Velcro clean. Now let's get started. How do you clean Velcro so it will stick again? 1. Use a lint roller, duct tape, or your fingernails to remove surface lint and debris. 2. Loosen deeper debris with a toothbrush, comb, or the cutter on a tape dispenser. 3. Try rubbing a second piece of Velcro across the first to remove lint. 4. Pick out hair, threads, and deeply embedded lint with tweezers or a pin. 5. Pre-treat any stains, close the Velcro, and then wash it in a washing machine. 6. Spot clean any stains with laundry detergent on non-washable items. 7. Use rubbing alcohol to remove any sticky residue. Method 1. Removing lint from Velcro. Number 1. Roll the hook and loop fastener with a lint roller. To remove surface debris and make the Velcro stick again, use a lint roller for clothes to clean up the fastener. Lay the hook side of the Velcro on a flat surface. Roll over it a few times with the lint roller. Hold it flat with your other hand if it moves as you use the roller. Peel off the sticky sheet on the lint roller if it's covered with lint and not grabbing anything. Some people feel that a lint roller isn't sticky enough to catch the lint stuck in Velcro, but it's useful for picking up surface fuzz. Number 2. Use duct tape to collect surface lint and debris. Cut a piece of duct tape no bigger than your palm so it's easier to work with. Lay the Velcro fastener flat, and press the tape into the closure so it sticks to as much lint as possible. Holding the fastener firmly at one end, strip the tape away to remove the lint. Perform this step several times with new pieces to get all of the lint. This method works better for lint and debris that's closer to the surface. Number 3. Scrape the Velcro with your fingernail to pull the fuzz out. Lay the fastener flat, and pick off any obvious pieces of thread or hair that may have ends sticking over the edge. Then, give the fastener a good scrape with your fingernails to remove as much surface lint as possible. Number 4. Use a stiff toothbrush to brush lint out of the Velcro hooks. House cleaning professional James Sears recommends using a stiff, plain toothbrush, without gum massagers or other plastic parts, to brush trapped lint out of the fastener. Lay the fastener flat, and apply pressure in short, hard strokes with the bristles, moving from one end of the fastener to the other. Use your fingers to remove any lint you pull to the surface with the brush. A cleaning brush, vacuum with a brush attachment, or slicker brush for pet fur work for larger pieces of Velcro. Number 5. Loosen debris or hair with a fine-toothed comb. Use the teeth of a fine-toothed comb to comb through the hook and loop fastener. Hold the comb at a 45-degree angle and use short strokes. Make sure to work the teeth under the fuzz, hair, or debris and lift it to the surface. Use the comb or your fingers to remove the debris from the surface of the hook and loop fastener. Number 6. Use the cutter on a tape dispenser to work lint to the surface. Use the toothy part of a tape dispenser, that cuts the tape, to scrape lint from the Velcro. Lay the fastener flat, and rake the cutter's teeth along the hooks in short firm strokes. Pick any lint that comes to the top of the fastener out with your fingers. Number 7. Use another rough piece of Velcro to pull lint from a dirty one. Instead of trying to stick the two pieces together, rub the clean Velcro piece against the dirty one. Move in one direction, pushing the fuzz or debris into a roll or ball. Then pick the fuzz ball off of the surface of the new fastener. Number 8. Pick hard-to-reach debris out of the Velcro with needle nose tweezers. Needle nose tweezers have sharper ends than regular tweezers. This makes it easier to grab onto small pieces. Lay the fastener flat, holding it at both ends. Then, use the tips of the tweezers to tease out the debris. This method works best for string and smaller pieces of lint that are harder to get. Number 9. Use a pin or sewing needle to lift lint out from the bottom of the hooks. Hold the pin between your thumb and finger. Run the sharp end through the hooks, picking up lint as you go. Then, lift the pin to pull the ends of the lint to the surface. Once some of the lint is free, use your fingers to pull the rest of it out of the hooks. Lift more lint out with the pin if you aren't able to pull it all out with your fingers. Be careful not to stick yourself with the sharp end of the pin. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Washing and removing stains from Velcro. Number 1. Pre-treat stains on the fastener with a stain remover. If the cloth part of your Velcro fastener is heavily stained, treat it with an enzyme-based stain remover or a small amount of laundry detergent before washing. Work the product into the fabric with a soft brush or by rubbing with your fingers to help the stain remover sink into the fabric. Allow the stain remover to sit for about 10 minutes before washing so it has a chance to start breaking the stain apart. Soak white fasteners in a solution of oxygen-based bleach and warm water for about 8 hours to remove dingy stains. Remember to check the garment label for the item the fastener is attached to before bleaching white clothes. Number 2. Wash your Velcro in the washing machine. If the fastener is on an item safe to wash in the washing machine, fasten the hook and loop sides together before washing the item. This keeps the closure from picking up stray threads or damaging other clothes during the wash cycle. Mix a few drops of laundry detergent with 1 cup, 237 milliliters of hot water to spot clean stains on non-washable clothing and other items. Dip a soft toothbrush in the solution and gently scrub the stain, trying not to get the cloth too wet. Use a damp, lint-free microfiber cloth to wipe the detergent from the fasteners. Then place the item in an open space and allow it to air dry. Number 3. Dab rubbing alcohol on a Velcro fastener with sticky residue. If something sticky, like gum or paint, has gotten onto your fastener, use rubbing alcohol to loosen it. Apply the rubbing alcohol with a lint-free cloth and then gently rub the sticky spot. Avoid using a cotton swab or regular towel to remove sticky substances, which can transfer more fuzz to the Velcro. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Keeping Velcro clean. Number 1. Keep the fasteners closed when you aren't using the item. Open Velcro fasteners easily gather lint and debris. They're designed to catch and hold onto any soft surface they come into contact with. That includes pet hair, lint from clothing, fuzz from blankets, and other things you commonly find around the house. Be sure to line the fasteners up so the edges don't collect debris. Don't forget to close the fasteners before tossing the item in the washing machine. Number 2. Brush lint out of the Velcro fastener once a month. Cleaning Velcro regularly helps keep debris from working its way down to the bottom of the hooks, which is more difficult to remove than surface lint. Number 3. Spray the hook and loop fastener with anti-static spray after washing. Anti-static spray, such as Static Guard, stops static electricity from pulling lint toward the Velcro. Spray the fastener after you wash your clothes to keep the hooks clean and lint-free. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Use several methods to remove all of the debris from your Velcro piece. Start with the lint roller or tape to get the surface lint, and work your way deeper into the hooks with a comb or needle nose tweezers. 2. Always close the fasteners completely when not in use to prevent them from collecting debris. 3. Close the fasteners before tossing them into the laundry hamper or the washer to prevent unwanted snags and lint. 4. Spray clean fasteners with a bit of anti-static spray to help repel lint. 5. Clean unwanted lint and debris from the fastener at least monthly. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.